Ever wonder if your factory supervisor actually appreciates you? In fast-paced production environments, you might not hear "good job" every day, but that doesn't mean your hard work goes unnoticed. Supervisors in these settings often show their appreciation through actions, not words. Their world revolves around efficiency, safety, and hitting targets. So their way of showing they value you is deeply tied to how they manage the floor. Let's break down how they show it, even when they don't say it. First up is fairness. This is a huge sign of respect. When a supervisor treats everyone the same, assigns tasks without favoritism, and enforces the rules consistently for all, they're sending a powerful message. That message is, your contribution is just as important as everyone else's. It's their way of acknowledging that your effort matters and that you are a valued part of the team. In a world of tight deadlines and high pressure, fairness is the bedrock of a well-run, respected team. It creates a stable environment where everyone knows where they stand. Next, think about safety. A supervisor who is a stickler for safety protocols isn't just trying to avoid paperwork. When they stop a job because something looks unsafe, insist on the right protective gear, or make sure equipment is properly maintained, they are showing you that your well-being is their top priority. This is one of the most genuine forms of care in a potentially dangerous workplace. Protecting you from harm is a direct way of saying, you are valuable, and I want you to go home safe at the end of your shift. It's an investment in you as a person, not just as a worker. Clarity is another form of appreciation. Have you ever been on a job where no one seems to know what's going on? It's chaotic and stressful. A supervisor who provides clear instructions, posts understandable schedules, and maintains consistent quality standards is actually doing you a massive favor. This structure reduces confusion and anxiety, allowing you to focus on doing your job well. By creating an organized workflow, they are showing respect for your time and energy. They're setting you up for success, which is a clear sign that they believe in your ability to meet expectations. Now, let's talk about what happens when things get tough. Production floors are famous for high-pressure moments. A machine breaks down, a shipment is late, or a deadline suddenly gets moved up. A supervisor who rolls up their sleeves and jumps in to help, who stays calm and finds solutions instead of placing blame, is showing appreciation in a big way. Their support during these critical times demonstrates that they see you as part of a team, not just a cog in the machine. It builds incredible trust and loyalty. They're in the trenches with you, showing that your challenges are their challenges too. Another subtle but powerful sign of appreciation is being given more responsibility. When a supervisor trusts you to train a new team member, lead a small project, or handle a more complex piece of machinery, they are recognizing your skills and work ethic. This isn't about giving you more work. It's about showing confidence in your abilities. It's their way of saying, I see your potential, and I trust you to handle more. This kind of recognition is often more meaningful than a passing compliment because it comes with tangible trust and opens doors for future growth. So, while you might not get a constant stream of verbal praise, the appreciation is often there, woven into the fabric of your daily work life. It's in the consistency, the reliability, and the unwavering support. It's in the fair treatment that makes you feel respected, the safety measures that keep you protected, and the clear guidance that helps you succeed. Look for these actions. If your supervisor is creating a safe, fair, and supportive environment, they are showing their appreciation through strong leadership. They're proving that they value you through their commitment to the team's stability and success. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you see your workplace in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.